In this module, we'll talk about human resource, morality, and business ethics, the relationship and responsibilities. So, HR professionals, now if you look just on the last three modules, we have briefly talked about business ethics, corporate social responsibility, the legal things in the corporate social responsibility, and the moral issues in the corporate social responsibility. So you might have now realized that what is right in terms of legally or legal things or in a legal sense is different from what is right from the moral sense or moral obligation. It may not be contradictory or conflicting always. However, sometimes it is possible. For example, what is legally appropriate or legally considered something is right, morally in the society, people may consider it inappropriate or something which is wrong. On the other hand, same thing, what morally you think is right, law may consider those things wrong. For example, in the society, people may think that if you are in a rush to save someone's life, you may cross the red signal. Law suggests something otherwise. You have breached or you have broken the law. It does not matter what was the issue, but you have crossed the red signal. So, what is morally right in the society or to some people may not be acceptable in the law. So, very clearly, there will be, or sometimes there are some conflicts when something is considered by the people morally correct or right, it is unlawful. On the other hand, something which is lawful, people may consider something which is morally wrong. However, there may not be many conflicts, but there are, and which can be infinite number of things where law and morality conflict. HR professionals are expected to behave ethically and to monitor behavior in their organizations. Because something which is lawful is a very clear what organizations can do and cannot do. However, when we talk about the morality and ethics, I have said that it is the gray area where it is not clear what is right and what is wrong. In those cases, for example, charging the prices if something is short in the market, um, stocking something, expecting that in the future the prices will rise and that may create a shortage in the market. Legally, you can say that it is my choice, it is my business, and organizations exist for profit. You are doing business for profit. You buy something and you sell whenever you want to sell. Law will not force you or cannot force you to sell something. You can sell when you think that the market is appropriate. For example, you have purchased a house and you think that some profit, whatsoever is being offered to you by the market, is less than what you want. It is your choice. You sell your plot, you sell your house whenever you want. You sell your car whenever you want. This is the freedom and this is the liberty and the rights individuals have. Similarly, organizations have the rights because they are in the business or they are in the market for profitability. However, the issues are not that much straightforward as it looks to us. So, HR professionals are expected to behave ethically, and HR is often ineffectual in tackling both illegal and unethical actions. In practice, it is not easier. It is not that this is the intention of HR or HR professionals. It is not easy to tackle what is going on illegal in the organizations and unethical in the organizations. It might be easier for the HR professionals to tackle or to manage something which is illegal, but may not be easy if something is unethical. Then how organizations do about it, how organizations go about it, how HR professionals go about it, what is the rule and what is there in the organizations that can help HR professionals to make sure that unethical behavior does not happen in the organization. So to ensure against the unethical behavior, there is something what we call is a code of conduct. So what is a code of conduct? This is a terminology which refers to the written rules and policies and practices in the organizational manuals, different documents, that in this situation this is what one should do, in this situation this is right and this is wrong. So that code of conduct is described and it is prescribed. For what? To govern the individual's behavior in the organizations. So make it simple. The code of conduct is the policies and practices. They are written in different documents that actually govern the individuals and group behavior and organizations to behave ethically. Thank you.